I spy with my little eye something that is green. Odie, so many things in the forest are green. Okay, I spy with my little eye something that's green and square. Ooh, it's a poster! Looks like someone just put this up. Come play at the Little Creatures Forest Fun Day! If you complete all the Forest Fun Day challenges, you'll win a Forest Fun Day Champion badge! Odie, I want to go! Can we go, please? I would love a Forest Fun Day Champion badge. Of course, Rowie. We just have to figure out how to get there.
Hey, right here.
Huh?
The entrance is right over here.
Woohoo! Time to have fun!
And remember, if you do all 4 challenges, you'll win that badge.
Okay, the first challenge is to twirl. Twirl, twirl, twirl! It says skip. We can do that. Skip, 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 skip. Do a silly pal dance. Easy peasy. That was super silly. Now we only have one more challenge to do before we get our badge. Do a jumping jack? I don't know how to do a jumping jack. I know a jumping jack, but yeah, I don't know how to do one either. But if we don't do a jumping jack, then we won't get our Forest Fun Day Champion badge. What do we do? Rowie, remember, when we want to become wise and when we don't know the answer, what do? We pretend to know the answer. No, silly. We ask someone. But who do we know that knows jumping jacks?
Did someone say my name, Jumpin' Jack?
No, we were saying jumping jacks. It's different. Rowie, shh. Hey, jumping jack, do you know how to do a jumping jack?
Of course. Hey, everybody, I'm Jumpin' Jack, your good old rootin' tootin' jump buddy. Sunrise and sunset, it's what I do when I wake up and before I go to bed. I just love it, and I think you will too. Come on, try it with me now. I stick my left leg out, stick my right leg out. Now I jump straight up and put my feet together.
4 times, here we go.
1,
Do some jumping jacks. 2, do some jumping jacks.
3,
Do some jumping jacks. 4, do some jumping
I stick
jacks.
my left hand out, I stick my right hand out. Now I jump straight up and put my hands
4
together.
times, here we go.
1,
Do some jumping jacks. 2, do some jumping jacks.
3.
Do some jumping jacks. 4, do some jumping jacks.
Now stop. Take it off. Woo! Do some boogle wuggle hands. Ooh, boogle wuggle wuggle. Ooh, a 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 boogle wuggle wuggle. Now stop. Okay. I stick my left leg out. I stick my right leg out. I stick my left hand out. I stick my right hand out. Now I jump straight up and put my hands together. And when I jump straight up, I put my feet
10
together.
times, here we go.
1,
Do some jumping jacks. 2, do some jumping jacks.
3,
Do some jumping jacks. 4, do some jumping jacks.
5,
Do some jumping jacks.
6,
Do some jumping jacks. 7, do some jumping jacks.
8,
Do some jumping jacks.
9.
Do some jumping jacks. 10, do some jumping jacks.
Wow, I haven't done that many jumping jacks in a long time.
Oh, thank you for teaching us how to do a jumping jack and for helping us become wise.
No problemo. And you know, I wouldn't forget to give you your 2 Forest Fun Day Champion badges. There you go. You both did a great job completing the challenge.
It's nice, thanks. Thank you. And we'll always know how to do a jumping jack now. Oh, can we do more jumping jacks with you, jumping jack?
How about you and Odie do some together? I need a little break.